2x square minus 7x plus 3 is equal to 0. What is A? A is equal to 2. B is a coefficient of x. B is equal to minus 7 and C is equal to 3. So we have D is equal to B square minus 4AC. D is equal to. So D is equal to B square minus 7 whole square 4 into A. A is what? 2. C is 3. So D is equal to 49 minus 24. 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24. So D is equal to 25, which is greater than 0, therefore it is factorizable. So x is equal to minus b plus minus root d upon 2a. This is you have to learn formula. So minus b. B is what? Minus of minus 7 plus minus. D is root 25 upon 2 into a. A is 2. See? So x is equal to minus into minus plus. So 7 plus 5 plus minus upon 4. So x is equal to 7 plus 5 by 4, or x is equal to 7 minus 5 by 4. Is it? What is 7? 7 plus 5? 12. 12 by 4. So x is equal to 3. Or x is equal to 2 upon 4. So x is equal to half. Coefficient here, again we have to use the same formula. So A is what? Coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x square is 2. So A is equal to 2. B is equal to, nothing is given, so 1. C is equal to minus 4. What is D is equal to? D is equal to B square minus 4AC. So D is equal to B square. So 1 square minus 4 into A. A is 2 into minus 4. What? So D is equal to 1 square. Minus into minus plus. 4 4s are 16. 16 2s are 32. So D is equal to, you will get it as 33, which is greater than 0. So it is factorizable. Again, x is equal to minus b plus minus root delta upon 2a. So it's x is equal to minus b. B is what? 1. So 1 plus minus delta root 33 upon 2. A is what? 2. 2 2s are 4. So x is equal to minus 1 plus minus root 33 by 4. So what will be the true value of x? X is equal to minus 1 minus root 33 by 4. Okay, or x is equal to minus 1 plus root 33 by 4. Coefficient of x square is a. So a is equal to 4. Coefficient of x is b. So 4 root 3. And c is equal to 3. So what do you get? B square minus 4ac. Is it? Which is equal to d. Determining. So d, it is 4 root 3 whole square. 4 into a. A is 4 into 3. Is it? So d, 4 into 4, 16. Is it? 16 into root 3. That is root 3 square. Root 3 square means 3. So 4 4s are 16. 16 into 3. 16 3s are 48. Okay. Here 4 4s are 16. 16 3s are 48. So what do we get? D is equal to 0. Okay. So what is x? So x is equal to minus b plus minus root del d upon 2a. D is 0. So that will be vanished. So x is equal to minus b plus minus, or it will not be plus minus, it will be d is 0, no? So it upon 2a. So what will be the value of x? Minus b. B is what? 4 root 3. 4 root 3 upon a. So 2 into 4. So what you get as x is equal to minus 4 root 3 upon 4 into 4. So this 4 and 4 can be cancelled out. So x is equal to minus root 3 by 2. Is it? Both root will be the same. To the fourth question, 2x square plus x plus 4 is equal to 0. So a is equal to 2, coefficient of x square, b is 1, coefficient of x, then c is 4. So d is equal to b square minus 4ac. So d is equal to 1 square minus 4 into 2 into 4. It becomes 32. So 1 minus 32 is minus 31, which is less than 0. So it is not possible. The following. Is it? What is root of the following means? X and y. X, value of x you have to find from here. So x minus 1 upon x is equal to 3. Take LCM. So it will be x square minus 1 upon x. Is it? X square. X square minus x upon x. X will move on that side. So x square minus 1 is equal to 3x. 3x will be inside. So x square minus 3x minus 1 is equal to 0. So coefficient of x square is a, coefficient of b is minus 3 and c is also minus 1. So d is equal to b square minus 4ac. So d is equal to minus 3 square minus 4 into 1 into minus 1. Minus 1 into minus plus 4. 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 4, 13. So which is greater than 0. Now we'll find the root. So x is equal to minus b plus minus root delta upon 2a. So b is minus 3. So minus of minus 3 plus minus root 13 upon 2a. A is 1. So 2 into 1. Minus into minus plus. Plus minus root 13 upon 2. So x, one value of x will be x is equal to 3 plus root 13 upon 2, or x is equal to minus 3 minus root 13 by 2. So 1 upon x plus 4 minus 1 upon x minus 7 is equal to 11 by 13. So first take LCM here. So this will be here x minus 4. So x minus 7, x minus 4 upon x minus 4, x minus 7 into x plus 4 is equal to 11 by 13. If you open the bracket, so x minus 7 multiply with minus sign, so minus x minus 4 upon x minus 7 into x plus 4 is equal to 11 by 30. So x and x will cancel out, so you'll get minus 11, 7 and 4, both is minus sign, so minus 11. So minus 11 minus 12 can also be cancelled out, so you'll get minus 1 here and here 1. Is it? So now cross multiply, so 30 will go there, it will become minus 30, and this will be multiplied and 2 will come here. So minus 30 is equal to, now x should be multiplied with x. So x with x, x square, x with 4, 4x, minus 7 with x is minus 7x, minus plus minus 7 4s are 28. Is it? So if we simplify, minus 30 is equal to x square plus minus 1 plus minus minus. So 7 minus 4, 3, greater sign 7x. What is the sign? Minus. So minus 3x is equal to minus 28. So bring 30 inside. So x square minus 3x minus 28 plus 30 is equal to 0. If you simplify further, so 0 is equal to x square minus 3x plus 2. So now coefficient of x square a, which is 1, coefficient of b, which is x, is equal to minus 1, minus 3, and c is equal to 2. So d is equal to b square minus 4ac. So minus 3 whole square minus 4 into a into 2. C is 2. 4 2s are 8, 3 3s are 9. So 8 minus 9 minus 8 is 1, which is greater than 0. So we'll find out the root. X is equal to minus b plus minus root d upon 2a. B is minus 3, so minus of minus 3 plus minus 1. Root of 1 is 1 upon 2. Is it? So what we'll get? X is equal to 3 plus 1 by 2 or x is equal to 3 minus 1 upon 2. So this will be 4 by 2 which is 2 and this will be 2 by 2 which is 1. Let's move on to fourth sum. The sum of the reciprocal of Raymond's age 3 years ago. Suppose Raymond's age is x years, present age of Raymond is x years, 3 years ago means x minus 3, and 5 years from now means after 5 years, so x plus 5 is 1 by 3. What is the sum? Sum of these two age, the sum of reciprocal. So what we got first? X minus 3. So 1 upon x minus 3. Second, 1 upon x plus 5. Reciprocal of its, what will get? 1 upon x minus 3 sum. Sum means plus 1 upon x minus 5 is equal to 1 by 3. Is it? So suppose Raymond's present age is x year. Then the Raymond's age 3 years ago is x minus 3 years. And the Raymond's age 5 years from now is x plus 5 years. According to condition of problem, the sum of reciprocal, the reciprocal of his age is 1 upon x minus 3 and 1 upon x plus 5. Sum means addition of these two is equal to 1 by 3. So 1 upon x minus 3 plus 1 upon x plus 5 is equal to 1 by 3. Cross multiply it. So x plus 5, x minus 3 upon x minus 3 into x plus 5 is equal to 1 by 3. Simplify it, open the bracket, x plus 5, x minus 3. So x plus x, 2x, 5 minus 3 is 2 and denominator is same, x minus 3 into x plus 5 is equal to 1 by 3. Now cross multiply it again. So 3 in the bracket, 3 will go that side, 3 in the bracket, 2x plus 2 is equal to x minus 3 into x plus 5. Multiply inside, 2, 3 to the 6x, 3 to the 6 plus 6. Now x into this, so x into x square, x into 5, 5x, minus 3 into x is minus 3x, minus plus minus minus, so 3 5 is a 15. If you simplify further here, x square, 5x minus 3x is 2x and it is minus 15. So bring all this inside, so x square plus 2x, is it minus 15, minus 6x minus 6. So this will be x, 2x minus 6, so it is 4. 6 minus 2, 4. Which number is a greater? 6x is a greater, so minus 4x. 15 minus, minus plus, but sign will be minus. So 15 plus 6 is minus 21. See here, if you see, coefficient of x square is 1. So a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 4, c is equal to minus 21. So d is equal to b square minus 4ac. b is what? Minus 4. Minus 4 square is 16. 4, a is 1 and c is minus 21. So minus into minus will become plus. So 4 into 21 is 84. So 16 plus 84 is 100. Is it? Which is greater than 0. So x value you will get as x is equal to minus b plus minus root delta upon 2a. So x is equal to minus 4 plus minus root 100, okay, upon 2a. 2a is 1. So minus into minus will become plus, plus minus root of 100 is 10 divided by 2. So what will get? X is equal to 4 plus 10 divided by 2, or x is equal to 4 minus 10 divided by 2. 4 plus 10 is 14. 14 divided by 2 is 7. And 4 minus, plus minus minus. So 10 minus 4, 6. Greater number is 10 and sign is minus. So minus 6 by 2. So minus 6 by 2 is minus 3. Got it? Minus 3, which is not possible. So x is equal to 7. So the Raymond's present age is 7 years.